all of us over. Like it's so hot. I appreciate you for him being in our lives to make sure everything's on track. Or I can't express this enough about people that's surrounded by us right now. Hold us high, protect us from everything today. Let us go and do everything we need to get done. And this is all in your name, Lord. Thank you. Amen. Let's go.
Y'all say hi.
What up, what up? We in this, we about to do this, and we going to do it.
Rainer Stimler. Please welcome from North Hollywood, California, former two-time Olympic champion, Rhea Hensley.
13, 21, 32, 33, 50, 55, and 72.
We just got back from prejudging, and I debated what I was going to do, if I was going to finish things out, but I think it's important to show this because this is part of the sport. It's not the first time we've been through this, you know, but Emil did not place very well. I mean, it's still great considering it's the Olympia Bowl. It's coming off being fourth in the world 2 years in a row. It's not what we expected. And it's not like the placing was unjust. You know, he didn't look his best. He was holding a lot of water. Just looked spilled over. You know, the placing was fair for sure. And I'm not gonna think that's not disappointing. I feel like it's important to allow yourself to feel these feelings and be disappointed and be mad and angry and upset and all the things. You know, because he worked really hard, and sometimes you can work really hard and you can put everything into it and you are not going to get what you want, and that's okay. You know, we talked about it, we prayed about it, and everything's going to happen on God's time, whether you like it or not. And I am a firm believer that everything happens for a reason, and if it happened this way, it's because it had to happen this way, and he just wasn't ready yet, and that's okay. It's not like it's an indefinite thing. It's not like we won't be back, you know. It just sucks. It's like we have so many really amazing things to look forward to, and we're so beyond blessed. So I don't ever want to come across like we aren't grateful, because it's something I've told Emmanuel, that there are people that would kill to be in your spot. There are people that would kill to place in the top 10 or right outside the top 10, you know. And so you should still be proud of yourself, because regardless of if the placing came out where you wanted to, the work was put in. I will say this one is a hard one, because this is the first time ever that he has full-time pursued bodybuilding and really put everything on the line to do this the way he did, and to give 100% of himself to the prep. And when I say 100% of himself, like, I really mean it. You know, it's as a partner of somebody who competes, we take a hit too, and it's rough, and we don't have our partner for 4 months or 3 months, or, you know, however long out of the year that they're prepping. You know, it's like you have a roommate, and you have to be okay with that. It's a short-term sacrifice, and things will go back to normal after, but they're just not going to be fully themselves for a little bit, and your relationship's going to look a little different. And so to go through that and to not get what you thought you were going to get in return it sucks. It stings, you know. But again, like, this is bodybuilding, and it's a fucking gamble, because you can look 100% and see someone can still look better than you. They can still like to look better, and it is what it is, and you could be 100% on. So it's part of the sport. There's no guarantees in this sport. I mean, in life in general, but there's no guarantees in this sport. You are never safe, ever, and we know that. And this is not a new topic. This is not a new feeling for us. Coming off his 2023 Arnold, that was rough. You know, we thought that he was going to go in and win an Arnold title, and he ended up placing 6th, I think. And, you know, we bet a lot on him winning the Arnold, and that didn't happen. And so we've learned not to do that anymore. We've learned not to count your check before it's in your pocket. We've learned not to put everything on the line to the extent that maybe we have in the past. It doesn't make it sting any less, so I'm not gonna lie. So I did want to talk about it, though. I feel like it happens, and you know, fucking sucks. We're just gonna do everything we planned on doing anyway. You know, it just looks a little different leaving here than we thought it would. I will say that he handled this with fucking grace, and I'm so proud of my fiance for the way that he has handled this. And he just, I've seen so much personal growth in him, even just today, that I am so beyond proud of him. And it's frustrating to know that he's right there and that he's not quite hit his full potential yet. It's hard to watch. And so I don't think it's a matter of if it's going to happen, it's when it's going to happen. And, you know, if it's not your time, it's not your time. And you have to be okay with that. And if you try to rush things, it never ends up well. So God is always teaching me patience. It's not how I wanted to finish off the vlog, but, you know, here we are. Really, really enjoyed myself this trip. I finally kind of feel like I have a footing in the bodybuilding world. You know, I'm one of many, of course, but like coming to the Olympia as a pro for the first time has been a really cool experience, and getting to have my own experience at the Olympia that's just not as Emmanuel's girlfriend has been really, really great. And I just really want to soak it in, because I know my goal for next year is to attend the Olympia as an athlete. I am making it my mission for this to be my last Olympia as a spectator, as a guest. And so I've just tried to soak up every minute of it. And aside from the placing, this is the most fun I've had at an Olympia. It is. And so I'm excited for what this year has in store for both of us. I think you're going to be seeing us on a lot of different stages next year. I don't think this is going to stop the momentum that both of us are on right now. It's going to go different than we thought, but that's okay.
If not now, it's gonna be soon. Like, I know, I still have that feeling, cause I'm not in that top call out right now. Does not change the fact that who Emmanuel is. That's just that's just a pebble in the road, and I'm gonna keep moving forward. A tear, a cry, a get angry for the second. Hey, all right, life goes on. What's next on the chart? Checkpoint.
It's God.
Let's go to them.
It's God's timing.
Yeah, it is.
God's timing. It's not the right timing, and when it is the right timing, it will be. So I'm excited, bro. I hope you get to enjoy with the wife, and I hope you get to eat some good food. And I know you got the wedding coming up, so it's now you get to enjoy life a little bit.
Yeah.
After that.
Yeah, that's what she said. She want her man back.
Yeah. So you guys are gonna be enjoying the next couple of months. I'm excited for y'all.
Bro, this cookie butter is fire, bro.
The blueberry pop
Fire. I need a timestamp.
The blueberry pop tart is 341 calories.
So it's
0
6 a.m. back at home. Time for me to get up.
It sure is 6 a.m.
It's 4 a.m. in Vegas. We've been up for 24 hours at this point.
Yep. Woo.
Right.
Sleep's for the dead.
Yeah,